again, thank you Vikingbags for sending this thing out. Thank you for contacting me and sending me this bag. It's been very useful. So straight off the bat, I just want to say that this bag is good quality. It has big zippers, a lot of compartments. Put a water bottle tools in there, a flask, and inside it is very spacious. You want to take a look. And I love that it has this handle where you can easily put on and take off with the Sissy bar. The main use I have for this bag at the moment is taking it to work, because I commute to work on a motorcycle, and this is perfect for taking anything that I need for work or bringing back groceries, which is very helpful. So first thing off the bat, it has this right here to mount on the Sissy bar. I'll show you how easy it is. Literally mounted in seconds. There is a strap that comes with the bag that you can make it more secure, but I've had no problems whatsoever just sliding it on there. And just easy, open it up, take anything out that I need, zip it back up, and if I need to take it off, bam, easy. One other main thing that I love this thing for, is this. It functions as a back support, so if I'm on a longer ride, going, a bit further out, this, when it has things inside, perfect. I could just lean back and relax. So not only can I store things on there, but it gives me comfort on the highway. Let's see if I could put some things in here just to put perspective on how many things could actually fit in here. So look at these there. So I gotta change the shoes. On my hydro flask, stay hydrated. On my tablet, got a Monster, more than enough space on the side. My hat. Then I got my windbreaker. In those cold days. There you go. And I still have more space on this side to hold tools if I need so, and I still have a bit more things that fit in there if I try to place it strategically. But it's a solid bag, and I've fit many things in here. Like I said, groceries and a lot of other things. So it comes in handy. This would probably be great for camping. But yeah, that's a little glimpse of what fits in there. There it is, the bag. It's amazing, compact, not too big, really good quality. Never seen a bag this high quality before. And I want to thank you Vikingbags for this, because it's my favorite bag now. So thank you very much.